Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be solving question number 13 from chapter 3. So this is the question. It says that write a Java program that counts the number of digits in a given number. Example, the input as 4567 and then the output is 4. Okay, we need a variable that's going to hold the count or the number. So int, I'm going to use count and let the initial value to be 0. And I have to use a loop, a while loop or a for loop, but I prefer while loop. I'm going to use while loop. So while the number being inputted by the user is not equal to 0, so number is not equal to 0. What are we getting? So we are getting this number. Okay, so we get the last number. Then I'm going to keep on increment the count by 1. And I'll print to the user the number is going to be this count. Okay, here, so we are getting the last number. If the user enters a number, let's say this number here, 4576, we get the first number, then the loop will iterate again, then we get the second number. It will keep on iterating until it gets all the numbers. So then we know how many times did the loop iterate, and then that is going to be the number of digits of that number. So I'm going to run the program and see if everything will work fine. Okay, enter a number. Let's input the same number here as is 4567, and we should get 4. Okay, so the number of digits is 4. Or I can even, yes, so the number of digits is 4. Now let's use a different one. Let's input 3 and see if we can get 3. 11, 3. So the number of digits is 3. The code works fine. So this is the program. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.